risen this week by 42.4% over last year. It's Friday, April 4th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. More encouraging market data indicates that new purchase contracts on the shore have risen 10.6% year over year, and prices are up 19.8%. Inventory is also up with 157 homes coming soon. 1,887 properties debuted over this past week. 180 homes went under contract in 22 days. 159 homes settled at 97% list to sold ratio, with days on the market at 24 days. 104 homes for lease are available at a median $2,000 a month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, April 4th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.